In this video, we will show you how to replace your vehicle's multi-function switch. Let's get started. Okay friends, it's time to get started on our job. Make your way directly underneath the multi-function switch to your steering tilt lever. Turn this counterclockwise to remove it. We'll set that aside. Now let's make our way underneath the steering column. We're going to be looking for 3 5.5mm screws located inside each of these circular holes. There's one. There's the second one. Now we can grab onto the console here. We'll give this a little wiggle and pull it down. Slide this out of the way. Now we can grab the upper clamshell. We'll lift this up and out of here as well. Now let's continue on removing our 2 T20 screws. You'll find one down in this area and the second one directly above it. Remove the pair. Here's the second one. With both of those out of there, let's carefully pull this away. And we can start removing our 3 wiring harnesses. You can see right here we have a gray connector. Next to my index finger, there's a rectangular squeeze tab. I'll squeeze that with my thumb and pull this off. Every time you disconnect an electrical connector, give it a peek. If you see any funny colors, it's corrosion, and that would need to be dealt with. We'll continue on to our black connector. For this one, it's a little bit easier to use a small pocket screwdriver. There's a small squeeze tab you can gently pry against and separate that. Once you have it apart, quick inspection, set it aside. Continue on to your last gray connector. Locate your squeeze tab, squeeze it in, and pull that off as well. There it is, friends. All right, let's get ready to install our brand new multi-function switch. Let's start by reconnecting our wiring. Plug in each of your electrical connectors. Listen for a click and give them a tug to make sure they're secure as you go. Let's put this in position up against the steering column. Once it's in position, continue on by starting in both of your mounting bolts. We'll put this directly onto our T20 socket and slide it into position. Start both of them in by hand before you snug either. Make sure it's secure to the steering column before you continue. Let's put on our upper clamshell. Move along to your lower clamshell. When we put this on, you want to make sure you align all 3 of your mounting bolt holes with their corresponding spot and then start in all 3 of the mounting bolts. start sliding the pieces together. Now we can continue on to our tilt lever. Put this in by hand and then make sure you snug it up with some pliers. Let's make our way over towards the shifter and the ignition cylinder. We're just going to press this boot back into place. Should clip right in. Okay, we've got it all back together. The last thing you want to do is put the key in the on position and test the functionality. Left, right, high and low beam, and of course the wiper blades. Perfect.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.